I could've sworn that the love we had, it was true. Could've sworn it would always be me and you. But now my phone ain't ringing and my text ain't coming. I'm chasing my love, but it keep running. I can't see the picture, I keep dumbing. I keep coming back for more, but there's none left there. I can't eat, I can't sleep, I can't breathe for air. Told my best friend, say a prayer. Thought I was your girl, thought you had your baby back. Soon as I turn it, going right back to the bum chick with the bum tracks, bum ways in your bum acts. You're so whack, get back. Conduct unacceptable, the cheating, deceit unforgivable. Thought we was inseparable, thought you was incredible. Hope I was mistaken, I was taken by a guy who didn't deserve me, wanted to preserve me. Remember those days that we hung together. Remember those nights with the stormy weather. Remember those times it was hard to get her. Now the tables turned and I feel the pressure. Pride won't let me talk. Can I write a letter, send you an email about how I feel?